Say welcome to Gatlinburg Visitor Center, Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Businesses around town's got their Christmas stuff up. I believe the Christmas lights light up tomorrow night, so we're going to be here. We're going to try to do that. Try to take in some Christmas lights while we're here, starting tomorrow night. But at least this is still open.
Till January 4th, it said in the book.
Thank you.
Were there tax on the maps?
No.
Okay.
For the
That is a trail, so if you just want an easier trail map, that's what they hide, and it explains
Very, very busy. It's good.
They've got ice on it,
It's a good thing.
and they don't want you up there. It's a hard walk anyway, so that makes it even worse. I gave you the able to show you around. She said, you know they have an escalator. We looked it up and we said, oh, Mama, that was an April.
Monday or beach, wow.
Yeah, I know. That's not the only one I'll ever go to.
So the street was 3 miles away.
Yeah, just to the right turn. You just go to the bottom of the hill and make a right towards that one. In about a minute, you're going to get on the bypass. You're going to go around that one. Don't take the right. Okay,
Thank you so much.
Oh, I'm sure. That's just true.
yes. Absolutely. But I'd like to see it is grand picture. Incredibly good. Okay. This is what the students work on. Okay, this is kind of what the road is going to be like. Traffic on this road. It's gorgeous. I love it yesterday. There's a lot of color on it too. Now these are small pictures now, and again it does not the very end of one section. Now this has 2 sections. This is lacrosse. So this is a tower that you would walk up to see beautiful views. It's a half a mile walk up. It's not near as bad as it is the walk going to the cover. This is a live shot.
I'm just getting a ball cap and a couple magnets for the fridge.
Hey, Sean.
Sorry. Okay, does your vehicle have a disability license for your infection? $5.
I mean, it's fine, it's just an overbill. They gave us newer ones.
Oh.
No, that's fine. Yeah, so it's a week.
Press that circle, please.
So driving back,
So the license plate number goes here. This goes on the dashboard passenger side, and at your convenience. So hope you have a great day. Hi, I'll take you here. Right. Yeah, you got them on the thing over there? Yeah. On that.
Cool.
we came up here and I got stopped and used it.
So 85 is your change. Right. 5, 20.
We have one, that will not time for 6135. Would you like to round your change? All right. Go ahead with your card.
So this one
Number 3 still. There it is. I was like, what's your bank account?
I'm getting it. Look on the back side of it. I know it's not a real coin, it's a... But it's pretty.
Okay.
Yeah, I am about pretty.
Yep.
Okay, so when you get to the car.
What knob? What was it called?
Friday I'm
It's gonna get
Yeah.
really cold. It was just on Monday. It's
They
gonna
got- they got all of it.
40.
So I believe that used to be Clearman's Dome. Now they've renamed it since the last time we were here.
Yeah, you pay for those.
Oh, she's free.
And your parking tag will be on.
Oh.
If you're going to walk up that tower, you sure will.
Oh, okay.
Really
Take care.
Now, these pictures do not anywhere near, I was on this yesterday, and the color of the mountains are so those claws, there's
Where to go, would you sit with the managers? Where to go, would you sit with the managers? I'm trying to reel you in.
Chuck it all.
Hi, how are you? In case you're right here. Oh.
So the Winterfest, I believe, begins tomorrow night with the lighting of the lights. So we got good timing coming down here.
1 Jesus, 2 Jesus, 3 Jesus, 4. Low Jesus, high Jesus, 10 Jesus, 4.
You're doing that photo.
Can you reach it, please? He's got skinny little arms. Don't reach it. It might be heavy. Let me see, come here. Come here. We'll see if he's got any since he's been working at the boats. Come here, Mason. Don't harass my stuff. What's a ghost? It's a ghost.